Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you a couple of tricks that will make your laptop work faster. So the first tip is changing the power mode of your laptop. To do that, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, then go to Power and Sleep settings. Then expand the power mode setting, and for your device when it's plugged in, expand this list of options and select Best Performance Options option to ensure the best performance for your device when it's plugged in to the charging cable. You can also change this option for on battery setting, but this way your laptop will discharge faster. So I suggest that you stay with balanced or even best power efficiency when you're working on battery power. Now, in settings, you can also check the Windows Update tab and check for updates, and if there are any available updates for your laptop, install them. This way your laptop will also be more productive. Now, additionally, you can go to Advanced Options, select Optional Updates, and check if you have any additional updates, for example, driver updates. Keeping your drivers up to date will ensure that your firmware is in touch with your hardware, and it's always good for productivity. Okay, so the next thing, right-click the taskbar and open the Task Manager. Here in the Performance section, in the Startup section, you'll see the list of applications, and some of them will start up when your PC boots up. To see which ones do, check the status column and check for the enabled applications. Now, search for applications that you don't necessarily need to start up when you boot up your PC, and to disable them, just right-click on such application and select Disable. And this way, you will not only ensure that your laptop starts up faster, but that it is more productive during your work time, as there are less apps working in the background and you don't have to check for them. Now, besides, the last thing I want to mention is the browser and the browser's resource usage. Generally, I'm gonna tell you about the memory or the RAM memory of your PC, which is used strongly by browsers, and if you have a bunch of opened tabs, even if they are empty, so they don't use much resources, they will still use a lot of your RAM memory resource. Even if you minimize the browser, as you can see, having a bunch of open tabs increased the memory usage by the browser to almost 1.5 gigabytes of RAM memory. And if we go to Performance section, you can see how drastically it increases the RAM usage. So, one thing to keep in mind, keep your browser tabs closed if you don't use them. You can always favorite a tab if you want to save it for later. And as you can see, this way the usage of the memory has dropped drastically, so just keep it in mind to ensure that your laptop works at its best productivity settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.